Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and car. This reduces errors. First, unlock your phone and make sure it's paired to the vehicle via Bluetooth or USB. Open Settings, then go to Connected Devices or Apps and select Android Auto. Once there, tap to view permissions and connections so you can control each link. Make sure the car is in park, safety first, then proceed to Disable Features. This prevents automatic reconnection while you change settings. Next, focus on stopping Android Auto from starting itself. Disable Auto Launch or start Android Auto automatically in the app settings. This prevents immediate relaunch. Then, revoke permissions, microphone, location, phone, if you want stricter control because permissions enable background activation. After that, go to Bluetooth or USB paired devices and choose Forget for the car. Once forgotten, the phone won't reconnect without manual pairing. These steps cut off both software triggers and connection-level reboots. To finish, consider uninstalling updates or disabling the Android Auto app from App Info, which removes newer auto start behaviors. Restart your phone, then test by plugging into the car. Make sure it does not auto start. If Android Auto still launches, clear the app cache and data to remove residual settings, and if necessary, reset the car's head unit to factory defaults. This resolves persistent pairing rules. One troubleshooting tip: if it repairs immediately,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.